Hi guys, so in this particular video we are going to be talking about these vitamin E capsules. These vitamin E capsules, this one that comes in colors, that is not for oral consumption. As you can see, it comes in different colors, and in this particular video I'll be telling you what each color does and how to use them for maximum results. Okay, so stay tuned, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any information. Okay, we'll be starting with this particular color, which is pink. Pink is one of the most popular color in this particular vitamin E capsules. This pink is more like a moisturizer. It helps to get rid of fine lines. It helps to soften dry skin, and it does a lot. It has SPF in it. It has some protection factor, which means this particular color is going to help you clear sunburn. It's going to help shade your skin from sunlight, like from the harsh rays of the sun, and also to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. And this particular color is recommended for dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, this is the best color for you to use for maximum results. Okay, and the next one I'll be talking about is this orange color. This particular color contains citrus, and it has vitamin C in it. It helps to fight impurities and hyperpigmentations. If you are battling with hyperpigmentation or dark patches like uneven skin tone, this might be a better option for you, this particular color, the orange color of vitamin E capsule. Another one is this particular blue color of this Animate Vitamin E Soft Capsules. It is going to give you that glowing skin, that smooth, young looking and fresh glowing skin. So if you are looking forward to getting a glowing skin, this might be a better option for you. Next one I'll be talking about is the green color. They have the light green and the dark green, and it's made from avocado. This particular green color helps to fight acne, melasma, sunburn, and some major breakouts. So if you have an acne prone skin, this might be a better option for you. You might consider going for this particular green color. Is either the dark green or the light green. Okay, now we'll be talking about this particular white color. It's either white or pale white. It comes in plain white or pale white. So if you have seen this somewhere, if you have seen this particular color and you are wondering what its work is for, just know that it is made from ginseng essence. Its work is highly for controlling of oil in the skin. So if you have an oily skin and you are looking forward to controlling the oil or to reduce the excess oil production on your skin, this might be a better option for you. Note that this is not going to dry out your skin. It will help you control the oil and also hydrate your skin at the same time. So don't be scared of it, okay? If you see it and you have an oily skin, quickly grab this particular color and thank me later, okay? Let's talk about this particular gold color. This gold color helps to brighten the skin. Major work is to help promote skin tone. So it's going to brighten your skin, not whitening, not lightening, please. It is going to help brighten your skin, give you that even skin tone. It's going to help give you that youthful, glowing, brighter skin. So if you're looking forward to brightening your skin, to get a brighter skin color, this will be a best option for you. Note that it's not going to whiten you, it is not going to lighten you. Its major work is to brighten your natural color. Okay, so if you have a lotion that doesn't have any active ingredients, this might be a better option for you. If you are looking forward to enhancing your lotion, this might be a better option for you. Go for this if you want to get a brighter skin using Vitamin E Animate Capsule. Okay, this is not for oral consumption. Okay, we have light gold and deep gold, and this gold color helps to give you that wrinkleless skin. Okay, what I mean by wrinkleless is it is going to help fight wrinkles, fine line. Its major work on the skin is to get rid of wrinkles. So you have wrinkles and you are looking for harmless products to use and get rid of that wrinkle, this particular gold Vitamin E Animate Capsule might be a better option for you. I'll be telling you how to use it in this video. Just stay tuned and don't skip any part, okay? Now the last but not the least is this red capsule, this red Vitamin E Animate Capsule. This works best in boosting your skin collagen. So if you are looking for something to help boost your collagen level, this is going to help you on your skin. No, please don't consume this. It is not for oral consumption. I've been saying this. It is for your skin, and I'll be telling you how to use it, okay? Also, if you have dark under eye cycle, this will work best at getting rid of it. So if you use this for your dark under eye cycle or your eye cycle entirely, it is going to help you get rid of it. You want your skincare to work better for you by boosting your collagen level, your collagen production on your skin, and also you want to get rid of dark eye cycle, your best option might be this particular red capsule. Okay, now coming to how to use this Vitamin E Animate Capsule. You can use it either by adding it into your lotion or using it directly on your skin. It doesn't harm, it's not harsh, doesn't have any effect. You want to use it directly on your skin. Let's assume you have let's say a severe issue, hyperpigmentation, you have acne, or you have wrinkles and fine lines that you would want to get rid of quickly. You can use it directly on your skin. Okay, so all you have to do is just to open a particular color that works best for that particular issue or for that particular skin challenge. Okay, you open it, take out a capsule from it. Okay, let me open one. I just realized that the ones I opened are all in my shop. So if you need any pack of this, if you need a pack, it's available for sale in our shop. So just check out the description of this video to get a pack for yourself. Okay, so I'll be taking out one capsule, and you are going to use either scissors or any sharp objects to take out the tip. So when you cut it open like this, you are going to drop it on the affected area on your skin, then apply it all over. You can use it, note you can use it on your face. So this is it. You apply it, it doesn't hurt, there is nothing like, it's just safe. Okay, so you can apply it on your face. If you have a very maybe you have acne, you can use this green one to take care of it. You can apply it directly on your face. Okay, if you are using it on your face, you are going to use only one capsule. Okay, so you use one capsule per time, and you can use it morning and night. Okay, then another way you can use it is by mixing it into your lotion, depending on the size of your lotion or cream, because they are not of the same sizes. Some are like 250 ml, some are like 400 ml, some 500 ml. So if your cream or lotion is 400 to 500 ml, you can use like 15 to 18 pieces of Vitamin E Animate Capsule. All you have to do is to open it up and pour it inside, or you can even throw it in there and just shake it very well. It is going to dissolve by itself. If your cream or lotion is not up to 400 ml, you can use 10 to 12. Okay, you can use 10 to 12 Vitamin E Animate Capsule. You can open it up and pour it in, or you throw it inside it like that, and it's going to dissolve with time. Okay, note that the colors of the capsule you use might affect the original color of your lotion. Okay, doesn't mean that it's bad, it's just the rubber that has the color. The oil inside is the same color. It's just, you know how oil is, it's just plain. Okay, so if you don't want it to affect the color of your lotion or your cream, you are going to open it up and pour it inside directly. Okay, this will be the end of this particular video. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Turn on your bell notification so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, all these are available in our store and more. Don't forget to stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.